everybody? We live. We live. Wait till everybody gets on, you know what I'm saying? You ain't never know. Yeah. Might get paid. Oh, the accountant? That did have something wrong with the feed. Uh, Either they're going to tell everybody they're uh, I think the thing's messed up, personally. I think they're going to fix this back up to the other at some point. You know, but oh, you're insured. I mean, you're up. Geez, when you get short at the bottom, I'm eyeing 200. I gotta figure out. That's one of them's the estimate, one of them's the EMA. Man, I just crank a length that. Oh, geez. Geez. Got yourself with. Oh, man, my bull nice freaking day today. Just trucking along. This top step, not shit, this apex stuff is crazy. I'm you or general. Uh, I think I don't know what happens with the coupon code. Oh, you think they're doing that to like past the boom. No, well, I mean, it bounced right where I needed it to bounce. I added even more to my funded. Fuck people knocks out. What's going on? Who's here on the street? What up? I see people on. New people. Come on, see what's going on. Trading Top Step today because Apex is having issues. So I broke open a Top Step account, and we're gonna play a little bit on here. I got two now. Tomorrow we're doing the free giveaways on the account giveaway tomorrow. So be sure you're here 1:30 is a good time to come in. Eastern time. I think I'm just gonna jump in here right here. Just as long as it holds. So yeah, Apex have issues. If you guys are trading with Apex, you'll notice Tradeabate's messed up. Rhythmic Trader Pro is messed up with them. So I've been trading my Bullnox funded accounts, and I popped open a Top Step account today. I know a lot of you guys trade Top Step, so I'm hanging out with them today a little bit. This 1,000 drawdown is definitely different. I'm worried about it. I should have kept my original buy. It would have been right there. Come on, bounce it for us. You guys trading today? What are you guys in? Anybody who's on the stream? Come on, bounce it to like. I'm not gonna take $40. I want like I want at least 100. I want like a zillion. Actually, I would have taken 80 right here, flat and all right, I'll take that. The reason I took that is we're getting close to the 9 right there, and I'm already up 100. And this is Top Step, so Top Step if it goes against me, and I get stopped out in a trade, my daily loss limit is going to be smoked. I'll be down $400 in there, so I'll just I'm taking gains, just taking a little gains. We haven't really had much moves today, but this was a pretty good move to get in on if you're up here trading. See, it's slow, super slow. But this is the bounce point, man. This is the 5-minute 34 hammered on it. And if we push on up to the other side, got my coffee. So what are you short right now? Welcome to anybody new here. We're just sitting, we just traded a little bit, and we're just waiting for the next setup. We're up today, which is always good. It's coming up to 34. Yeah. What's going on? You trading today? Good. Actually, Apex is down today. They're having issues with Trade and Trader Pro. So I have all these funded accounts and evals with them. I can't even really trade today. So I've just kind of been trading PopStep and Bullnox. Bullnox, I have a funded account over there. And I know a lot of you guys trade PopStep. So I got a PopStep eval, and I'm just kind of playing around with that a little bit. How are you doing? But yeah, it is. Oh, you jumped in. Yo, if Jay's coupon code doesn't work, you can use mine. Yo, yo. Uh, yeah, if you purchase Apex account, you're having issues on the. You can see on the FAQ page that there there's something wrong with your data feed, I guess, to Trader V and Rhythmic Trader Pro. We're all having issues. Everyone I know is having issues, and it's on their website. It says not to trade the accounts. Obviously, I tested it, and you could basically buy. Yeah, go to the FAQs. Yo, yeah, 0 days on the phone with me actually. Nagy, uh, so my earbuds have Jay on the phone on my cell phone right now. I'm talking to him while he types uh, on YouTube. Jay, another person that knows you. You're like a local celebrity. Yeah, I got who else? I don't know. Who's new? Reveal yourself, as Jay would say. Who else is on the stream? Say what's up, man. I think I think we're gonna bounce here. But this thing gets below 200. I think it's done for the day. Yeah, I would be done trading it too because, dude, I mean, they recommend you. It's on the FAQ page. Yeah, I'll bring it up to you guys. Well, when you go to submit a ticket on the FAQ page, it says we're listening to you, Jay. We know that you know that, bro. It's actually gone. It's gone. What happened to it? Oh, Jason, take profit trader today. Uh, Jay, you want to take profit trader today? Oh, seems like I'm away from the mic. Let me see if I can adjust it a little bit. Feedback, welcome. Just started streaming live last week. Can oh, you know why? Watch this. Might be because my freaking air conditioning is blowing. Let me shut it off and see what happens. That's why I got it's just freaking AC crank a lamp. All right, I shut it off. Wait until the buzz thing. But yeah, if it's bad, I'll move it, play with some of the settings. A different mic. This is the this is the mic I have. I don't know. No, I'm holding it on the screen. Can you see it on the stream? I got it on the stream. Well, send me the link and I'll get it. Oh, that's the Dumperoo. Um, I'm waiting for my 8. Maybe you can keep it a bit close. Okay, hold on. Ugh, let's bring it closer. All right, how about right now? Better or worse? I'm waiting for my air conditioner to stop because after you turn it off, it still cycles a little bit. Yeah, it just keeps going. So Nagy, be around tomorrow. We're giving out a free account on the stream tomorrow afternoon. I might. All right, yeah, my AC just went off. I don't know if it's going to change the voice. If not, I'm going to buy one of those mics that Jay uses on his stream. So if you hear him, uh, I'll I'll order it on Amazon. Oh, 34. Oh, so send me the link to Amazon. I'll buy it. But so now, there's a couple things. Tomorrow, be around for free account giveaway. Depending on how many people come on, it might be more than one. It might get wild. And I'm going to change the name of this. I'm going to make a video about it. But I'm going to change the name of the stream to Cove Trader. Actually, I'm going to do it right as we speak. I kind of made this. I didn't know anybody was going to be following, and it just grew. Just freaking took off. So now it's crazy. Let me change it right now. Actually, yeah. I started this channel just to journal. No, but I started this channel just to kind of like journal and just kind of keep tabs on my own stuff and maybe interact with other people. And I just changed the name now to Cove Trader. It's more not general. So, um, but yeah, but, but yeah. So today's been a little type of mostly trend today. How do you play? Are you like an ICT guy, or you follow, support resistance? What are you? How you? Oh, yo, this channel. Wow, I'm very bouncing this, by the way. You know what? It will probably bounce off of. Yeah, support and resistance and momentum. Yeah, I only do momentum only because I feel like at least every time I try to do momentum, I end up I just end up buying like freaking up at high. Can I drag this? I do. I do. Yes. I usually stick. I have a oh dude. I'm actually gonna go pretty. It's almost down to the pivot point, man. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm buying. I'm buying 0 day options and the Qs. It just comes down to the pivot point. We about to get nutty up in this place. I'm about to. Yeah, so if this drops to the pivot point, it will probably be like 70 cents, but I'll be getting the money and I'm gonna buy. Yeah, yeah, probably. I'll probably buy like $400 worth. I mean, they expire in 2.5 hours. So I create a starter position and add to a lot of winners. Okay, the one thing you have to realize, Maggie, is when you trade funded accounts with Apex, they have the DCA rule. So if you're adding to losers by any, like if you take a starter position and then you go down, so say you buy one and it goes down a little bit, and then you add another one and it goes down again, and you add that next one, they consider that DCA. You can only add one time. Otherwise, they won't pay you. They'll deny you the payment. They won't take your account away, but they'll deny your payment, and then you got to go to the next payment and keep making money in the account. Yeah. Then you become a member of the DCA gang. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. If you add winners, that's fine. I add winners in like long-term options play, like options that are out like 6 months. I add winners. I also add losers there as well. I just add. I'm like, yeah, sure, this sounds good. Man, I'm up $1,700 today on options, which I knew because I took a little bit of a hit last week. I'm not going to sit here and lie about it. Daddy took a little bit of a spanking, so $1,700 today helps. Oh, oh man, yes. How I play a lot, these all launch pivot points, but also you go up and dude, I don't know where you're at, Jay, right now, but you have two up to 200 and good point all the same spot. Oh, geez, this is this is like when you my voice is robotic. I am. It's one of those. It's one of those AI days. No. All right. So Jay hears me on the phone. I'm fine. But Jay, do you hear me on? Do you hear me on YouTube? I don't know if it's gonna call it as code trigger, is it? All right. Hang up. Hear me on YouTube. Talk to me. So 0 day Jay that you listen to is my boy, and I talk every single day, and he's coming. He's on you. He's turning. What do you call it on? I sound a little choppy. Okay, let me see what I can do here. Let me let me see what I can do here. I I have a couple things that are open. So let me see. Like I have two instances of the streaming software open. So let me shut that. Let me shut that. I think what the problem is, I think I just have quite a bit of stuff open. So I'm just kind of shutting it. Yeah. I think it has to do with some of the stuff that I have open. Just going through all my like I got an Apex support chat open. There we go. You can see how much stuff I'm shutting off. That my whole screen went blank. I have a couple. They actually say not to submit a support ticket with them, which is crazy if you think about it. Yeah, not to submit a support ticket that they know. Yeah, you know what it is, Jay? I have all this crap open. I'm shutting it all off. I got my OnlyFans account up where you can subscribe to my videos. Oh man, that's funny. But all right, dudes, it's about time to get freaking go to work here. So what's with this Apex thing doesn't want me to. Man, I'm buying this with my funded account. I don't really care. How's that sound? Let's see what happens. Oh no. Oh man, I hit the button to get out and they wouldn't let me out. Oh, did you see that? Did you see me hit the button and it didn't work? Oh, jeez. Yo, 7 people in here. Someone, guys that are watching, say hello. Say hello. Come on and say hello. Hold on one second. I'm going to shut off some other. Don't trade Apex. I know. Hold on one second. I'm going to see something real quick. I got a bunch of windows open, and I'm just shutting this all off. Like, there we go. I was doing like my taxes and stuff today, so I just want to make sure like I don't bring up my freaking tax returns on here. Oh man. All right. Is this not going to come down and hit the pivot point? Was that it? That might be it. And I got that little baby gain and then I couldn't sell out. wasn't able to freaking. Well, that's a candle you want. You want them to come back down on that. I really want to get filled at 51 is really where I want to get filled at. Let's see what this looks like. 51, because I could see it bouncing off of 50. I'm in on this. This account is not a good funded account right now because we're down. So I'm willing to take the shot, buy here. And if it comes down, great. I'll get filled in my other accounts. And if it just goes, it goes. That's how I feel about this account. So Apex is letting me buy one contract. I can't buy anything else. Man, this thing's like playing with me right now. Oh, I can't put another order in? I'm just taking little gains here to I think we're gonna hit somewhere around 50 or 45 and bounce, or we're just bouncing now. So I think you could definitely you're definitely in a good spot. I mean, you're probably up right now. How many did you grab? Did you grab like? Are we on the orb on the freaking Qs? Oh no, we got way room to go. Dude, Nagy's about to score big right here. It's not going to come back down. That was it. That was it. And I grabbed $90 off of it. We're $68. Oh, geez. Why the frig? I didn't get filled anywhere. All right, for five minis. Jeez, you're up. You got to be up what? $500 right now. Approaching 1,000 probably right now. This is the bounce we wanted to take, by the way. I can't believe I didn't get that. Yeah. That's a nice trade you just made right there. I missed it by like 1 point. By 1 point. What's going on, new people in the chat? I see new people just came in. Say what's up. Let me know who you are. We're just hanging out. We just caught the bottom here. And I caught the bottom of one of my accounts for almost no gains. And I missed everything else by about a point. Nagy over here is up a G. Probably even more at this point. That looks so good. Jesse Cruz, what's up? Jay, is this one of your boys? I know. I missed it by literally 1 point in like 4 different accounts. It's sickening. That's crazy. Freaking, we were talking about it. Oh, geez. We were talking about it coming down here. Oh, Jay. When I wake up in the morning, Jay is on. Dude, I just scalped this. Holy shnikes. Oh man. Yeah, so I know Jay outside of the internet. Like I was on the phone with him on the stream like 10 minutes ago. But yeah, he sleeps very little nowadays. I'll wake up to head to the gym at like 5:15, which is it's actually only 2:15 in the morning where he lives. And no, I'm in New York. I'm in New York. I stream in the morning sometimes like 9:15, 9:30, depending on what I'm doing. And then I'm always on like 1:30, 2 o'clock till the end of the day. By the way, come tomorrow, we're giving out free accounts. 1:30, I'm going to give out 1 or 2 free accounts. We're going to do something really fun. Actually, it's going to be pretty funny. Yeah, California hours suck. What's good though is you're done at 1 o'clock. I mean, so the market opens at 6:30 for you. I'm up at 5:15 anyways. So, I would just probably skip the gym in the morning. I would probably trade. And then at 1 o'clock, when markets are closed for me, I'd go to the gym then and be done by, be back home by like 2:30. And that would be my day. The best time I think is like, yeah, well, yes. I mean, you're not staying up until midnight. You'd probably be on like the similar schedule I am because, yeah, well, I wake up 5:15, I hit the gym, and I'm back home by 7, and it's done for the day. I don't have to think. Yeah, I'm not worried like right now, like, oh, I got to go to the gym, I got to do this. I can't believe we all missed this by like a point on the stream. That's freaking crazy. Nagy, if you're still in that, congrats, bro. Congrats. Yeah, I just like to get it out of the way. So I'm done. And then I'm on the computer early. I ended up flipping it. I traded it in, so right here, I grabbed 4 contracts and literally sold like right here for like a scalp. And that was it. I'll just show you. Oh, where is, I don't know. I have Bullnox account, we're up a little bit here. It has like my info at the top. I don't know why it does that. Bullnox does, but when I trade Rhythmic Trader Pro on my laptop, it does not have any of my info at the top. It literally just has Apex Chicago area charts. It's so weird. I don't know why it does that. That sucks though. I would have, if Apex was working correctly, I would have gotten some accounts in on this because I would have bought 2 and I would have got in at least 1. But Apex isn't working and I fucking missed that. That's so upsetting. And I had the chance to buy this. Completely messed that up. I had to get a Top Step account today because Apex is sucking because the feed's messed up. And so I'm testing out Top Step. I'm so worried about this daily drawdown though. Oh, look at this. We're going to top from earlier today right here. That's not a bad spot to take a short. If we get another green candle up, how's my 250K doing? It's smoked. So Friday on the stream, or Friday before I streamed, oh man, I left orders in and went to go drop my kids off at school and didn't realize I left orders in. And then all of a sudden on my phone, I got a bunch of alerts of like sells, and my account was smoked. My account got liquidated. Yep. It was up I think I got it funded, and then it was funded, and I was up $500 in a funded account. And then it got decimated. It was super horrible. But so then I was talking to somebody about 250s and 50s. And here's something you should think about. So I'm no longer doing 250s, and here's why. The perk of the 250 is you could take $3,000 out a month. And the 50, you could take $2,000 out a month, not a month, every pay period. But I only pass one in like every 6 250s, and I'm passing one in every 2 50s. So I could basically get 3 50s for every time I get a 250. And if I copy traded the 50s, I'd be able to take $6,000 out every pay period versus only taking $3,000 out with the 250. So I'm better off going and getting 50s. And right now I have a lot of 50s actually. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I have a laptop that's right here. And I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And now I have one with Bullnox, which is 14. So I have 14 50s, 14 funded 50 accounts. So I'm just working on 50s right now, and I think I'm going to stay working. So tomorrow the Apex deal is up, and then I'm pretty much not doing any evals after that. I'll play evals now, and I'll do a couple of evals. You know, I always keep one eval. Do you have a lot of experience with Bullnox? So I've been trading Bullnox only because their accounts are cheap like Apex is. I get accounts for $17. I know a lot of people have I haven't gotten paid from Bullnox, but their rules are 40% consistency rule versus 30 with Apex. You only have to trade 10 trading days and you can request a payout. You don't have to do this is looking pretty good here. You don't have to do a window of, the 1st to the 5th or whatever. You just trade 10 days. And the consistency rule at 40% is nice because I can make almost $1,000 in one day in the account. And let's see what happens. Risk reward is there for me. It stays over the 9. Oh, I can't even put a sell in. As long as it stays above the 9 and above this bottom, I think we're good. If it breaks below, it's going to dump. It's going to dump probably to 34. But they're all the same. Like I made a video. Like literally, a lot of these firms are the same. With slightly different rules. I think that for the payouts, I know everybody loves Take Profit Trader, but honestly, the best payout is Top Step, because if you have 5 days No, they have the trailing drawdown is 2,000 is the same as Apex 2,500, and it's at the peak of your account. So the drawdown is the same as Apex is. So that's not really an issue with me at all. And then what else do we have? With Top Step, you can make $200 5 days in a row, and you only made $1,000, and you could take money out. While if you go to like Take Profit Trader, you need to make, I think, like $2,600 to take money out, or even more. So as terms of in payouts, I don't think you can beat a better payout system than Top Step, only because of the amount of money that it takes to get a payout is less. It's just more days. So I can't just have a crazy massive day and say, oh, I'm taking out $10,000 in Top Step. You could do that with Take Profit Trader. You know, you can do you know, a massive day where you get a windfall and take out all this money. That's the perk of Take Profit Trader. Other than that, I think Top Step has no like DCA rules. I don't think Take Profit Trader does either. You know, I like Take Profit Trader. I do. I just think they have the $1,100 drawdown. Top Step has $1,000 drawdown. The difference is if you hit the drawdown in Top Step, they just stop your account for the day. But if you hit the drawdown and Take Profit Trader, your account is smoked. So like you really have to pay attention in Take Profit Trader, because it'll kill your account, versus Top Step will just stop you for the day, and you're fine the next day, and it's all automatic. Yeah, well, it's the feed, Jay. The feed between Apex and whatever's going on with their feed between Apex and Tradeovate is messed up. It's not Tradeovate. It's not on Tradeovate's side, I don't think. It's on Apex's side with the connection. So if Tradeovate is working fine and Take Profit Trader is working fine with them, it's going to work. It's just it's an Apex issue. But yeah, that's my thoughts with Top Step. I did a whole Top Step versus Take Profit Trader video because a lot of people, they're very similar in the rules. And I just figured it would be a good video to do a little comparison and talk about what I like about each. The biggest thing I like about Top Step is when you hit that daily loss limit, they don't can your account, because sometimes you get caught in like a flash dump or like a flash pop, and that would kill your account. And in Top Step, you would just get smoked, and you would start the next day. You know, they sell you out and you just start the next day. So that's my thoughts. I'm going to give this a shot here. Dude, did Tradeovate get fixed? I think Tradeovate just got fixed. I just put multiple orders in, and I wasn't able to do that before. Just throwing it out there. Anybody else? Is Tradeovate working though? Oh, what's up, Eminem? How's the scaling work on Top Step? So with the funded account, I think you can just keep earning, and you just take out profits as you go along. I don't think I know there's some other plan that talks about some type of scaling or something. I don't really get into that. I just think as you make money, you can keep pulling the money out. It says something about $200 a day. I am not super clear on it. I think it's just 200 winning days. I'm gonna need some more clarity, to be honest with you. I just want to pass. Oh, you got into two minis only. Oh, what, you sold out of your size position? Ah, oh, yeah, I know what you're talking about. I don't do the scaling plan or anything like that. Yeah, take profit trader is, but how, like, go through your days and figure out how many days do you make over $2,000 in a funded account. Like, I don't think I've ever made $2,000 in a single day in a funded account. The most I've ever done is 1,800, and that I probably shouldn't have done 1,800. How's that sound? We gonna bounce here on this 34? Is this gonna be the bounce point, or are we just gonna dump a do? Stochastics are getting oversold here. I'd like them to loop up and then kind of do like a tweezer candle, like a green candle that goes above the high here, and really turn this ship around. Like a green, like we put in a nice green candle here. Oh man, that was freaking money. Okay. Where else did I buy in? Did I buy in any other accounts? Oh, geez. I was waiting for this 34 bounce. Did you guys see if I freaking. No? Yeah. But also, my other issue is Top Step is $49. The take profit trader is like $100. I can't get over paying the $100, but I do understand the benefit. I honestly really, I get it. I get the whole benefit of taking money out every day. Like, I talk to Jay about this all the time, and his argument is you could take money out every single day, and I completely agree. It's the best payment if you can get to in the payment zone. Take profit trader is amazing because every day you can just hit withdraw, and you can't do that with any of these other ones. So I completely agree with that. My biggest issue is getting there and the cost to getting there. And then outside of that, I think it's fine. I think everything's great. Those are my issues, is the cost to getting there. But if anyone's looking to reduce the cost, I have a link in the description and you can click on it, and it's usually redirects to the best offer on a lot of the different platforms. So you could try that. But yeah, I mean, I one day did a whole spreadsheet on the cost of getting funded, the cost of funded accounts, and just kind of, this is looking good. Come on, bring me to the promised land, baby. Woo! Jeez. Come on, bring me like up here. What? It's not working now. Oh, I can't put a sell in? I just have this stop in. This sucks. That sucks. Fucking Apex. You guys are brutal. Is that it? Was that like the fake? Are we gonna go another round here? I freaking lost money in this account. How did I lose money? I won't respect myself in the morning if I don't play this again. How's that sound? Yeah, that's how Top Step is. 200 or more for 5 days, and then you can withdraw. Yeah, tell me about it. 50. Well, you think about it. You are good. I got my freaking money back. Give me it back. Think about it. It's $100 a piece. You better be real freaking. Oh, I didn't realize I was still in this one. Ooh, this is what happens when you play too many accounts at one time. Is this gonna push it? Bro, this platform is amazing, by the way. You can just drag everything. I love the Top Step platform. I knew there was another account that I bought in, and I couldn't remember which one, and it was the Top Step account. That's what happens when you have too many accounts, guys. Honestly, like, I would stick to just a handful of accounts. And that's what I would just stick to. So Top Step is 50K in the active. All right, so that's $200, right? Now, what happens if you're passing 1 out of every 3 evals? Let's do the math. 1 out of every 3. So it's going to cost you $150 in Top Step evals and activation. So that's $300. Take Profit Trader is about $300 also. So as long as you're passing 1 out of every 3 accounts, Take Profit Trader and Top Step is the same amount. As long as that's where you're at. I don't know what your percentage is, but if you're 33% pass rate, then either one of them is the same cost. But then you throw in like Bullnox. Bullnox is call it $20 just to keep it simple. Bullnox is $20 an account. So now you're at $60, and then it's $150 one time. So you're at like $210 for a funded account, which is $90 cheaper than Top Step and Take Profit Trader. And that's the same. Then you could go even crazier and do, holy shit, it's a drop. You can go even crazier and say, okay, what's the cost of a Apex account? This is if we come down to like VWAP, I might push some serious chips in here. I'm gonna put an order. Order filled. Order filled. So I have a freaking order down here. I'm just gonna put it here too. Buy limit. Get it down a little bit. So anyways, back to this. Like Apex. So Apex, say it's $20 an account. 1 out of every 3 gets you $60 in cost, and then it's $105, but it's monthly. But 105 so that's $160 to get funded, which is half the price of Take Profit Trader. But that's monthly. But you got to think, if you kept the account for a month, you should have taken out a payment. So I think there's a lot of things that you need to think about when dealing with these types of things. You got to do the cost of getting funded, the payout policies, and what works best for you. I like the one-time fees or you know, like that $250, $85 one time is nice, but I'm passing like one every 6 250s. It really wasn't worth it to me. I was blowing accounts up. I might try it tomorrow because tomorrow's the last day. Last day in quotes for Apex. Those guys, man, I've never seen somebody just keep extending sales more than them. Jay would call them habitual sale extenders from the Chappelle Show. Chappelle Show, Chappelle Show. Yeah, those freaking guys are like, it's just crazy. But, you know, I think of things like that. By the way, whoever's on here, I know we got new guys on here. 2 announcements. One announcement, I changed the name of the channel to Cove Trader. So if you're looking, it's now Cove Trader. I created this channel just as a whatever. Didn't think anybody would actually follow. And now I just kind of more personalized it a little bit. And then the second announcement is tomorrow, 1:30, we're going to do a giveaway for accounts. I'm going to give away 1, maybe 2 Apex 50K accounts tomorrow on the stream. But we're not only just going to give them away, we're going to do some duck races. If you've never done a duck race before, we're going to do duck races, and it's going to be hysterical. Yeah, so that's the deal. That's what happened is I created my investment journal because I was just putting up videos basically for myself to keep myself accountable each day in prop firm and options trading. And then I was like, now that people are actually following and it's kind of fun to do these things, I went all in and just kind of, you know, I kind of just made it more personal, something that, you know, isn't just a general term. Yeah, because see, yes and no, Jay. If you can, for the first trade of the day, take 2 minis and hit it for like $500, now your drawdown is like 1,500 and you could play large. But if you mess up your first trade of the day, then yeah, then I could say, hey, you know, the drawdown thing sucks. But if you hit the first trade of the day, the drawdown shouldn't be an issue at that point. Just my thoughts. That's kind of how I was thinking about it. I am, yeah. I know Jay doesn't have it. Wink, wink. But my Top Step link's in the description to get the, if there's any deals running, you click it and it'll bring you to the whatever's going on. Jay loves Top Step secretly. Oh, man. But yeah, like I said, if you can get to the funded stage and you can get to up 2,000 or 2,500 in your funded account, take profit trader is cool because you could take the money out every single day. And nothing beats that. Dude, Jay likes Apex, but he secretly likes Top Step the best. But he likes take profit trader also. But he's a secret Top Step fanboy. That's what he tells me on the phone. What is it, Jay? You relax and take a deep breath and think about Top Step. Yeah, he only trades He only trades Apex and take profit trader. He can't. He has a Mac, so he has issues with Rhythmic Trader Pro, so he can't do like bull knocks because he tried. Take profit trader has 0 upgrade fee right now. Yeah, they're running They're running 40% off lifetime and zero upgrade fee. I actually saw something about 50%. I want to say I was testing my link out in the thing, and I clicked and I saw something on their website that said 50% today, or I got an email about it. Let me see. Let me see if I had take profit. Nah, they're doing the no fee 40. I could have sworn I saw 50% somewhere though. Oh, no. We just came up, we bounced off the 34 and just. I got to figure out which one. Oh, these are SMAs, and I got EMAs on my chart. I think I like the EMAs better, to be honest with you. You normally trade with the EMAs. And listen, guys, at the end of the day, you still got to make profitable trades, and you got to have a profitable system. So it really shouldn't. It matters, but at the end of the day, it also doesn't matter which account you're using, because at the end of the day, you have to be profitable, and that's it. So you got to have whatever you're doing is the system that works. I find that my system works. Oh, Jay, you wanted to know what the 0-day options are for the cues on like a move like that just happened before? I'll tell you. I know you asked me about it. I know you asked me about it before. So on that move, on this move right here, Jay, I know you're probably still listening. It went from 92 cents to $2, and those were in the money. So 92 cents to $2, and just out of the money. So like 50 cents out of the money went from 36 cents to $1.18. Holy sh! So you'd have gotten. I'm glad I just did this though, because you're better off buying. So if you're in the middle of the two options, you're better off buying the out of the money one. Yeah, because the out of the money one got like 3x, the other one got a 2x. And you're pretty much holding to zero anyway. Like, not to zero, but like, listen, my stop loss is probably 50% on those same day options. We're coming back down to here. Actually, man, we come back down to this 50. I think I'm gonna have to go pretty good here. Oh my God, we're doing it right now, and are we? My take profit got filled. Oh yeah, this is. What do we think? You think this is going to hold up? Oh man, it's just selling through the other. It's just dumping here. Oh baby. Oh, right off the pivot point. Wow. Yo, if you breach a rule on Take Profit Trader, you're gone. It's your account's done. I can tell you that right now. I've had Take Profit Trader accounts. You're done. Completely smoked. Yeah, your accounts are gone. It is what it is. I'll be honest with you though, but like that's why you have to set your stops and you got to be really careful. Hey, I just want to say what's up to the new people that are on the chat. I see a bunch of people just joined. Say something in the chat. Introduce yourself. We're all just here hanging out, trying to play this bounce right now, and introduce yourself. Let's see who's on. Also, if you're wondering how you got to the channel, I changed the channel name today. Oh yeah, this is a good hit right here. I'll take that. I changed the channel name so you know, it's now more personalized. So we stream here every day in the afternoon, mostly, and then sometimes in the morning. But anybody is welcome to chat say something in the chat. I answer everyone's questions. Anybody that's here, if you have any questions or anything, just put it in. And oh, I got taken out of this. Okay. Cancel all. All right, we're up $400 in Top Step today. That's not bad to start off. What's up, Jack? Stream showed up in my feed. All right, my old the channel used to be My Investing Journal, so maybe you subscribe there, and now you know it's Cove Trader. And yeah, what's going on? Are you trading prop firms? You trading options, shares? What are you trading? Trade a little bit of everything here. I know a lot of the guys on trade prop firms. Yeah. I mean, that's what I have up right now. I have that in my options account in my options account is my other screen to give. I don't know if you guys are into options, but man, today's been a very good day. I kind of make videos about options. If you guys ever have questions about options, you know, here's what I'm holding right now. And you know, today has been a decent day in options land, but that's what I'm in right now. I know some people here trade options. Jay used to trade options. And so back to prop firm land. This was a freaking great bounce. I hate that it wicked that far down. But if you look, it bounced right off the pivot point. Like literally. I wouldn't be surprised if we took another ride up here. If it comes down to I'm willing to take a shot in like this account probably. What prop firm you with, Jack? Apex? Ooh. Are you kidding me? I didn't get filled. That I'm in another account. They didn't fill me. That's crazy. Pump it. Oh yeah. That was nice. That was a nice hit right there. Yep. Apex was having issues. They still are having issues. I'm trading Apex right here. I just realized I'm not my effing funded account. Are you kidding me? Why? Oh, jeez. I can't believe I just did that in a non-funded account. Oh, Apex is having issues with Tradeovate today and Rhythmic Trader Pro. I don't know which one you use. I use them both, and yeah, some serious issues. All right, we're coming back down here. I wouldn't be surprised if we test this wick at 42 and then kind of bounce from there. It's kind of what I was thinking. See what happens. We're just kind of following. This is the 9. We're just kind of following it down. I think we're going to reach wick test, and then we're going to come back up. Oh, you never saw me before, Jack? That's all good. Welcome to have you here. We're going to do an account giveaway tomorrow, so be sure to come on around 1:32 if you want a chance at winning some accounts. I think we're going to have some fun tomorrow. I'll stream 1:30. We'll start it. We'll give everybody about a half hour to jump on, and I'll get everybody's name. Whoever's in here, just got to type on the screen, and then I'll load it up in a randomizer I have. We're gonna do a duck race, and I'll stream the duck race for everybody, and you could root on your duck, and we'll see who wins. It'll be funny. Oh! So here's the wick test I was kind of waiting for. Let's see if they pull it right back up. Oh, geez. Told you. Boom. That was the wick test right there. I can't guarantee anything after that. But, oh, yeah, we caught that at the bottom. At the bottom. At 131 bucks. That was a nice hit. I also caught that in my Bullnox account from 46 to 52, 100 and something dollars. Yeah, that was nice. I needed that. So now what I'm looking at, see, we're holding above the pivot point here, and this is VWAP and the 200. I think we're going to end up, I feel like the odds, I'm more biased to going up, but if we weren't at that support, I would say we're going to roll over, only because it doesn't look strong. So this is what I do is I'll take one of my weaker accounts. I will, because this is so I play first touch a lot. So we just had the first touch for like the wick test. So now that we're going to test it again, there's a less percentage chance that you're going to get a bounce. So I'll play a lesser funded account. No, not at all. On the 250, I was trading 3 to 5 minis at a time. That was when I was funded. When I was trying to get it funded, evals, I was trading 10 to 20 at a time. We're gonna roll the dice here. Yeah. Well, you got to think. You know, I got the account. You know, you have 250K. You got to make, what do you got to make? $6,600 to take money out. So in order for me to make $6,600, how much? Yeah, see, it looked like it was going to roll. The only reason I didn't take it short is there's too much things going on here. Let's see. You think they pick it back up, or they think they? I could see both scenarios playing out, but that's why I just stay out of it at this point. You know, I can definitely see them slamming it down, and I can, without a doubt, see this candle turn green, and they pick it all the way back up to like 54, and we ride. Yeah, you got to make $6,600. So how are you going to make $6,600 trading one mini at a time? It's going to take you forever. You know, one mini is every 10 points is $200. I mean, that's a. I would have to make, how many trades I got to make? I'm going to have to make one trade is two, so I would have to do about 30, what is that, like 35 positive trades to get a payout. Just kind of you know, that's a lot. Watch them bring it up to 51. Nope. This thing looks dumpy. This thing looks dumpy. Where do I think they're going to bring this down to? Right here. The top of the Qs would be a solid bounce point. I don't know what that is on the NQ, so what I do is I'll pull up the Qs right here and I'll watch. And then on my screen on this side, I have well, you can see the congestion around here. Oh, what time was that at? If I go to the Qs, the top, so around 10:30, bottom of the candle, 10:30, bottom of the candle. So, like 1960, yeah. Put a limit buy in, see what happens. That's what I'm looking for. Right around here, another 30 cents down. I don't know if we're going to get it, but yeah, so you just got to think, like, if you need to make $6,600, how many do you have to play? And then there's your answer. Like, I trade one mini on a 50K account because every 10 points is $200. Man, that bounce was short. Is it short-lived, or are they going to bounce this thing? They're going to bounce it up to the 8 right here, up to like 47, 8 or 9, bring it up a little bit, and then continue down. Is that what they're going to do? Let's see. We're right at VWAP, so let's see what happens. Reject VWAP, turn down, go down to like the top of the orb would be an amazing trade setup. If we bounced around here and then came back down to here, I don't know if it's going to happen though. We're looking pretty I'll take the rejection. Let's see what happens. I'm taking the rejection. I don't know if I'm going to get it. I have to step away for like 2 minutes. I'm just going to leave this trade in. I'll be back in like literally 2 minutes. I just got to go to my front door. I'm going to get stopped out. I feel it. I feel it. I'll be right back. Back. Got freaking stopped out, obviously. Cool. I love the pivot point bounces, but we just went so far below it. My stop is usually 10 points. Got a little buy signal here on the bottom. I think we're flagging right here on the 34, which is interesting. Oh, did I just do that? Yeah, I think we're going to flag. Let's see what happens. And they probably take it back up. There we go. Boom. Nice little scalp there. All right, ready? How do I convert these numbers to the NQ to the QQQ? Call resistance. So the fastest way I do it is I'll bring up a Q chart to see where I am. So all right, so like we just came down to here, so that's 62.86. and I'll say, okay, 6286 is 34. And I just kind of see on the chart where I am with each, and I just flip back and forth. That's how I figure out where we are. Let me see if there's a thing. QQQ to NQ conversion. Oh, here we go. I'm just looking to see what I'm on another website just to see. Okay, so don't take this word for it. So you want, like, say you want 470. 470 is 19,322. Let me see if that works out. So 47, we're not even close to 470. Let me just take one that's in the day right here. So I'm going to take, I just want to make sure this thing's working correctly. So I'm going to do 464. So 464, which is right where we are now, is approximately, yeah, it's pretty close. So here's the website. It's called spyconverter.com and then /converter. And you can convert all the NQs to Qs to the spies and everything else. Oh, my alarm is buzzing. 30 seconds, I'll be right. Man, that thing was buzzing. Buzzing. So that's how you convert it. I have always looked at the chart and flipped back and forth. I've never once picked up the site, but it made sense that there is a website. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so I would use that. Yeah, I mean, if you see something, everybody has their own system. Like I'm one of those people that like whatever works for you, because what works for me may not work for you. Or you'll see all these things that I do and maybe one thing you like, and then you take that onto your own trade plan. That's how I would go about trading and watching people on streams, is trying to figure out that one little nugget of information that will help you trade daily, whether if I'm around or not. And that's what you should be looking for. Something that helps you out, not necessarily don't follow me completely, or, don't look to follow somebody. Look to try to figure out your own system. And that's the best thing that you could take away from going on streams and things like that, is kind of picking up little nuggets of knowledge and then putting it together in your own trade plan. And that's what I would say would be the best thing to do. Obviously you see me put my orders in, you kind of see what I'm doing, what I'm looking at, any questions I answer, anything that's going on. But at the end of the day, you need to be able to trade if I'm not here, because following is great if that person is around all the time, but you don't want to follow me and then all of a sudden I don't stream for 3 days because I'm away and you make no money, or even worse, you do stupid stuff, and you don't have a plan to follow. So I just I try to help everybody out that comes on the stream and just, you know, for you to get your plan. I do like this little consolidation flag we got going on here. You know, my only issue with this is obviously we're up a ton. I'm looking at it on the one. See, we got a little consolidation here, but you can see the trend line is right here. This is the trend, the short-term trend, I would say. But this is a nice little piece of consolidation we got. I don't like that this flashed a sell sign, and we're hitting resistance. This is where we consolidated before we dumped, but I do kind of like this. I just flipped it from the 9 for a couple little shekels. I messed up. I was trading my my Bullnox account, my Bullnox funded account, and kind of lost a little bit. So I was up 250 and now I'm down 130. So I need to make that back up hopefully by the end of the day. And then I like this though. Let me see if I can jump in like right there. See if they'll fill me. I don't know if I'm going to get filled, or if I get filled, it's going to just sell on through. But I think it will fill me, and hopefully it bounces like 5 points and we can scalp it. It'd be nice as a complete turnaround, but I kind of want to get filled. It looks like it's bouncing here. Only if this came down a little bit more, I would have went all in on an eval, I can tell you that. Yeah, this is looking good on the 1. This is looking real nice. What do I want to do here? This is an eval, guys. Oh, I can only buy 1? Oh, hold on. Can I buy more than 1 in like this? That I could do. This is an eval trade, which means if I get filled on the pullback, that's a funded account trade. But if I just say F it and get in, come on, I want to see it. I want to see it get to like 95. Just seems like we have the consolidation, and a push at it here would be nice. Get this account up halfway to funded. Come on, give me the push. I'm looking for this candle to break out of these and maybe hit like 93, 95, and I'm taking my cash out at that point. Come on, give us the push. Oh, it's just like teetering right there. Here we go. Come on. I'm taking this. I'm locking it in. Forget it. And the reason I'm locking it in is because this was the high right here last time in this consolidation, and just having issues with getting over it. I think it can come back down to like 81-ish. You know, if it can come down to 81-ish, I know if you're looking, you're like, oh, well, 88, 81, but like that's a lot of money difference. So if I get out at 88 and re-enter at 81, that's 7 points. It's $140 on each contract. Or I miss it and we go up, and hopefully you guys stayed in the trade and you guys make money. I mean, whatever happens, happens. But doesn't look like it's gonna. Is it gonna come back? Is it gonna dip back and then bounce, go up? I know I have an order in one of these freaking accounts. Oh yeah, here we go. Let me just take that out just in case. Honestly, it's just kind of selling off. At this point, the entry would probably be at 75. I see if we could come back there. At this point, I would have thought that we would have broke out to, 19,100. But the fact that we haven't leads me to believe that it's going to come down a little bit. And as you can see, that's exactly what's happening. Right down here wouldn't be a bad spot maybe, but it bounced. This is what I don't like about Tradevate right now, because it's not working. I can't add multiple orders. I mean, my bias is still to the upside because we're consolidating above the 34, above the 200. I would be looking for this still to go north. I was just saying that we were due for a little pullback right here, how the price action was going. And sure enough, we dropped from 90 all the way to 76, which gave you a good entry to get back in. I actually scalped it in this other account, but I haven't gotten filled here. And you're starting to see stochastics work themselves off a little bit, which is nice. I don't know if we're going to see new highs here, but we might see one more dip and then a turnaround possibly. But it just goes to show you could definitely scalp this, but it's all about your entries. Like if you chase and you say you got filled at 81, you have less options. But if you turn around and you got filled right at the 34 at 76, I mean, you could take 5 points for $100. So it's all about getting the correct entry here, not just to get in. So if I got in at 76 or even 78, I mean, I'd probably be looking to take, if I bought only one, maybe I hold, but I'd probably be looking to sell right around here at 89, because that was the previous top, and I would have sold right here. I'd probably get out. That's my style. I'd probably get out, and sure enough, it looks like we're going to sell off a little bit. But when I say sell off, like it just means to come down to 79, 78. But 10 points with one contract is $200 is what you have to realize. So you would have just scalped that on the way up for 200, and now you just keep re-entering, doing the same thing over and over until you actually break one way or the other. A break to the downside to me would be, you know, a close below 72, and an upside break is a close above 90. You know, we just pulled back to the 9. For the purpose of the chart, I hope it doesn't hold. I hope we sell off to right around the 34 and it fills me, but I don't think we're going to get that. You guys pass any evals today? Tomorrow's the last day with Apex's deal. If you guys are trading Apex, honestly, I have a feeling they're going to extend it due to this outage on Apex, on Tradeovate and Rhythmic Trader Pro. I think they're going to end up extending the deal to maybe like Friday or something. Just feels that way. Let's see. You think they're going to bounce it here, or are they going to sell it through the 200? I'd like to see them bounce it here to at least 81. So took 70 bucks real quick. I'll be, the more I look at it, the weaker it's starting to look. You know, now we bounced off the 200, you know, right here. We kind of came down here. We kind of came down here, and we didn't make new highs. I got the scalp I wanted. But now it's starting to look on the weaker side that I don't know if this is going to hold again. And if that doesn't hold, you got to think we're going to see VWAP. Depending on if you have extended session on, not extended session on, this is VWAP, or VWAP is like 52. So it's right around this range. I would say we see if this doesn't hold. Just the levels I have in my mind. I'm going to do this is an eval right here. I wonder if they sell it through. I wouldn't be surprised if, you know, if they just rip it back up because people are looking for the sell-off. I mean, it's holding the 200. It just whipped below. You know, what you want to see if you're short is a close. Like, you want to see this candle close down here. It's working the stochastics off. Wow. I say wow, but, you know, all that did was, you know, it went from 79. Actually, that was an 8-point candle right there. Woo! So they definitely baited shorts in on this. That I can tell you, because it's broken it twice. But that's why you look for the close. And I'll be honest with you, stochastics worked themselves off, and price action didn't really move down that much. I don't know if you guys are watching the price action, but that's why I wouldn't have shorted this at all. And And that's why a lot of new people get caught in these types of shorts. You know, they look at this and they're like, oh, it broke to 200. And then they go in and all it is a wick. And then it just backs up on them. And now it's the other way. And they don't know what the hell just happened. I'm sure that's happened to new people because it's happened to me when I was new. You know, and now you'd be underwater pretty good going, but it broke to 200. It broke to 200. Why didn't it drop? Well, the reason it didn't drop is, first of all, it closed above the 200. And this little back test worked all this stochastics off. And now that it's turning back up, now you got momentum to the upside. You know, but if you're in, I probably start taking profits around here. First of all, you would have been in around 75 and you just got 15 points. I mean, you know, 15 points is a lot. You know, if I had multiple contracts, I'd be selling one right here and then holding one with a stop somewhere around here. Let's see what happens. So I see some new people in the chat. Feel free to type in the chat what you're in, who you're trading with, what you're doing, anything. Come say hello. And if you have any questions, put it in the chat. That's what this is about. It's about just hanging out, trying to make money. I trade prop firms and options account and options if you know you're into options. And yeah, I mean, today I'm using Top Step. I got a Top Step account because Apex was down and is still having issues. So I got one of these. We're up in there. I actually want to get funded by Top Step. I think it's one of my goals is to get funded by Top Step. You know, the goal is still $3,000 profit, you know, with them, even though they have the drawdowns and everything else. Man, that was just one big dumperoo and just literally made back pretty much it all. I put this order here. This isn't going to get filled. Oh, that was a nice move right out of there. Honestly, I feel like we're going to get more. I wouldn't be surprised if it tests like 116. Just feels like it's going to consolidate here a little bit and then another push up. I wouldn't go chasing because we were talking about it down here, but now, you know, I think you're going to get a little consolidation, work this move off a little bit, and then, you know, you'll turn up. That's what I'm looking at. Oh, let's see what options land is doing to me right now. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. We have a pretty good. Baba's finally on the move. Is that right? Baba's moving here. Let's see what Bob is looking like. Man, Bob is on the 200. I don't know if you guys trade options at all, but I'll just bring this up real quick. I mean, we're starting to scoop up. BABA could be an interesting BABA could be interesting. All right, back to prop firms. Consolidation right here. We got it. That's exactly the consolidation you want to see. We were talking about this, consolidate here and then hopefully get another push up, you know, to 110 maybe. Kind of what I'd want to see. Come on. Here we go. This is just in a push out of here, right here. Push this candle up, green. This candle turns green and we go up. You're going to see a nice push. There we go. Come on. I mean, these are the trade plans in my mind when we're making moves on what I'm looking at. We broke over 19,100. Let's close above there. And I'm probably going to look to sell this soon. Not as much as I wanted. Not nearly as much as I wanted. I still think you're in a good shape. I just think it's going to consolidate here a little bit. Or, come on. Biggest issue you have against you right here is 19,100 is going to be decent resistance. The chart formation is nice. Nice little leg up. Consolidation here. You know, this is kind of what you want to see. I'll re-jump in here. Come on, give us this little hammer and bring it up to like at least 98. Bring it up to 98. Come on. Oh man, my freaking office mat. Oh, they're not going to do it. This isn't looking good. That I can tell you. It looks like we're going to roll. We get under here, it's going to roll. If it rolls, I wouldn't be surprised if we got back down to the 200. This 19,100 is obviously psychological support and resistance. That's kind of what we ran into. And that's the one thing. If they don't turn this around within the next minute or two, it's probably going to roll for a little bit. I'm going to get stopped out. And that's why I bought with an eval and not my funded account. Oh, did they just bottom tick me? Oh, no. Did I just sell the bottom? Oh, jeez. Folks on the stream, as you can see, it could happen to anybody. It just happened to me right there. And I would be out with profits. Instead, I got... Oh, that hurts. That hurts. That hurts a lot. That hurts. Still can't get over the 100. I can't believe that just happened. You could see the line. You could see exactly where I sold out at the very, look at that, at the very bottom. Minus 525. I would be up almost 1,000 right now. That was a $1,500 freaking swing on that. Oh, I wanted to get an eval over today for the stream, but not really presenting a lot of. I should have went all in on an eval down here is what I should have done, to be completely honest with you. I can't believe I just got played like that. Literally the bottom, bottom, bottom. I should have just put my stop below the 34. I don't know why I didn't. Oh, so I see some new people on the stream. Feel free to introduce yourself. Let me know who's on. Say what's up. We're all just hanging out. Reveal yourself. And you guys doing the 250? Oh, what up, Kim? Yo, Kim, I changed the name of the channel. So if you're wondering, that's what happened. Change the name of the channel. Make sure you're on tomorrow, 1:30 to 2 o'clock. We're going to do the account giveaway tomorrow. You don't want to miss it. We're going to do a duck race for duck races for a free account. We'll do an Apex account. Depending on how, if we get over 20 people on the stream, I will give away 2 accounts. So we'll see how many people we get on the stream. Today we topped off at 11. So I'm gonna post on like Twitter and whatnot. We'll see how many people we get, and yeah, we'll see what's up. But I think it'll be fun. I tested the duck race out. It's freaking hysterical. Are they just gonna pump this? I'm wondering if I want to take a short somewhere. I'm gonna have to mute myself in like 2 minutes. I got to go to the whole baby. I can't believe they stopped me out at the freaking bottom. I'm taking a short at 48. That I can tell you. All right, give me 2 seconds, guys. I'll be literally right back. I'm back. We just came back to trend, actually. That's all we just did. I'm looking to reject off this pivot point at 49 is what I'm looking for. I am I'm just gonna put some orders in actually. I put my stops in, got my orders in. But that's my plan is if we get up there, we might not even get up there. I don't I'm just saying like if we get up there, that's what I'm looking for. We reach hopefully we get over 110 here and shoot. That'd be pretty cool. Give a nice freaking green come on, give like a come on. Trader bait. Something's wrong with trader bait today. Uh, I can't put another order in, so I'm kind of stuck. There we go. Nice way to start that funded account off. Plus, got some money in my other one. Got a little bit of ways to get up here. I don't know if we're going to get up here in the next 40 minutes. Kind of seems doesn't really seem likely, but I need. Where do we need to go? We need to go about 35 points from here. What would be nice about this short is you'd be above the VWAP band. And you'll probably ask me, well, why don't you go long up until there? Well, I mean, this can easily roll over to me as well, and you can continue going south, or we can hit the 34. If we hit the 34, I might take a long. As you can see, we hit the 34 here, the 34 here. A 34 touch would be more where I would want, where I feel safer. Come on up. Oh man. Oh man. Come on. 25 points. It'd be nice because it would break this high. It'd bring us into this zone. Oh man. Come on. Looks like it's gonna. I mean, it's just coming back down the trend. It comes back to the 9. Not really a worry. Just sitting here waiting and waiting and waiting, waiting for the setup. That's all it is. Just waiting for the setup. No need to jump and do something stupid and mess my day up. We've all been there. We have all been there when you make some stupid ass trade. Oh yeah, here we go. Coming down to 34. You're gonna come down to 34? I'll buy one. I'm good for one right here. Look at that scalp. Look at that scalp. Am I going to miss out? I need to, tell me somebody got that. Somebody got that. See, the reason I don't hold right there is because I'm at the 9, but I think we're going to go past. I think that was the buy a hold. Actually, you know what? That was 19,100. I should have. I should have bought more actually, knowing that that's a you know. Let's see, does it come back down and then we go back up? I'm not chasing 10 points up, that I can tell you. But I'll play it another time here. Come on. Come down, touch it, and then let's go back up. Let's get a good entry. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, do a wick test. Wick test at 1900. 1900. 19100 wick test, and then roll up. That's what I'm looking for. Come on. Welcome to the stream. New guys, new people, new girls. Anybody that's new, come say what's up. We've been trading most of the day today. We are, I'd say we're doing pretty well today. Funded accounts, I believe, are up. Some evals are up. No, we haven't had that like big trade. I would say I didn't have a full size trade today. But I will say we're definitely doing well. Definitely doing well. I'm just waiting to. Oh man, this is starting to look like it's going to go up. I was just looking for a little touch down here. I don't think we're going to get it. I don't think we're going to get it. I think they're going to turn this right the frig around. It's going to go up. Nope. Somebody get faked out. Come on. Come on. See, here's the issue now, though, is the moving averages are starting to creep up here. So now, you know, we're going up. We're going to go up here. This is looking good. If any of you guys followed and got in when I got in on that other one and you're still in, congrats, because you're up 15 points. 15 points! What is that, $300 on one mini? Jeez. It's gone. I'm not chasing. That I could tell you. And I just literally took a moving average off this. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That was the play. That was a nice one. You don't need a lot of trades to make money. That I can tell you. All right, here we go. Let's see if they film me. Let's see if they film me. Oh, come on. Come on. Trying to blow it down there. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh, am I going to miss getting filled by 50 cents or some shit like that? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, I'm in. I'm in. Bounce it. Let's go. Bounce it back up. Let's get 8 points out of this. 8 points would be nice, right? Quick 8 points. Come on. Oh, are we going to sell off? Ew. Come on. You're going to do me dirty like that? Ugh. Did me dirty. Did me dirty. Tell me I got filled at the bottom again. They're going to bring this down. Bring it down to the 200 maybe? Possibly. Man, my chart over here is just messed up. This is why you only... Oh, let's see what they do here. I mean, at this point, I want them to bring it down. I mean, it would look good if it came down a bit. Just kind of like, I feel like it has a date with here, possibly even in this zone. But I can see a bounce right off the 200. Got to look also, you know, there's a lot of wicks. Oh, well, can I move this thing? Ugh. So right here, you can see we consolidated last time. So I could see it coming in the same zone right here and consolidating. Oh, here we go. Nope, not going to come down. 25 minutes left. Today has been not that eventful, to be honest with you. It was definitely trending earlier. We played a couple good plays in here. No, I guess I want to say I guess the afternoon was pretty good. I played a lot here. I didn't play too much in the morning. Actually, I was doing stuff in the morning, so let's see. I think can we come down, touch, bounce, get a couple of points, and then I could just be happy for the day. Oh man. Is at the bottom. Are they going to do that? That's it. Come on. Man, they just wicked that up, came back down. So see, you can see they wicked it here a bunch. Wouldn't be surprised if they brought it down here. Saw like 91, 90, maybe even 85. And then bring it back up. This one's getting close to a payout. Yeah. I want to request the payout this week for this one, actually. Yep. That's my goal. I need one good trade right now. One good trade will get this right in the payout zone. Let's see if I can get a bounce off the 200. Maybe it's not the trade I really need, but maybe I can get 100, 200 bucks. This, I was just going to say, this is going to reject right here. Why I think it's going to reject is you've wicked. This is the third wick in a row, and you're hitting the 8 or 9. I think it's the 9 I got, and it's pushing down. You're basically trending down at this point. We get under this candle, you're going to see a little flushy. Watch it flush down to maybe 92 would be nice. Is that the flush? That was it? That was the flush? Come on. That was 95. Give me something. There's just like no meat on the bone here. Come on. Come on, guy. Ugh. Oh, jeez. This isn't freaking. Come on. Man. Looks like they're taking this up. Here you go. Look at this. Jeez. We break over, you're going to go back up to 23 or so. You're going to see a massive pop into the end of the day. You might get an end of day run that you want to. I mean, this is definitely a nice little flat. Ooh! Are they going to finally bring it down here a little bit or what? Oh, this feels like we're going to break out here into the day and go on a run. Would I be willing to risk this account? Sure, why not? Oh, let's go DGen style, guys. DGen style. Hold on. Don't go without me. There we go. See what happens. I mean, that's the break. I mean, super simple, right? Somewhere around here, probably. I might take it earlier. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it here, right there. Okay. Okay, that was good. Do I think it has more juice in it? I do. I do. I could easily see it going to 24 here. But did I take it at the top? Tell me I took that at the top. mean, this is the trend. Let's see what happens. If I get refilled on the way down for another leg up. Come on. Give me it. Come on. Fill it. Fill it and then just loop it right back up. Bounce it right back up. Oh, I can't put an order in? That's so garbage. Come on. Give a push to like 11. Push to 11. Push to 11. No, do not push down. Push up. Come on. Push to 11. Seven minutes to an algo candle. If you've never seen the 350 algo candle come, you'll. Man, the 350 algo candle is ridiculous. Those are all market on close orders. Start coming in. Right here. We need to go green over 108. Come on. Give me green over 108. Oh, give me 110, 111. Come. Right around here is where I'm looking for. Come on. Come on, we got this little hammer. We got a green candle over this. Oh, that'd be freaking sweet. No. Come on. Oh, they just keep pushing it down. Push it up. Oh yeah. Nope. This is an eval. We're all in, baby. This is degen. I'm not getting stopped out. We're in this. We're in it. Let me see what we look like on the. Looks like I'm going to get filled on this 200 right here that we've been stalking for a little bit. Whoa. That's why you always check your position sizing. Always check position sizing. Jeez, that was almost terrible. Are we going to come down? Are we not? I didn't even know I had money left in this account. $250K eval. This thing's freaking smoked. Come on. I really wanted to touch the 200 and then bounce because that's where I have my real account orders in. That's the real spot. This other stuff is just evals. I don't. Come on down. Let's give us 88. 88. Three minutes. 3 minutes. Let's see what we got going on. Getting text messages from some friends that are traders. I guess this isn't coming down. This is gonna, what are we gonna see? Imagine we run a 40 here, end the day. 2 minutes to the algo. 2 minutes. Come on, turn this around and shoot up, or come down, touch this, and come right back. Let me get a real time thing on here, actually. We have 1 minute. 1 minute until the algo. Come on, where is the countdown? Where do I have it at? 30 seconds. What do we think? I'll go up? I'm thinking I'll go up. It sucks that we're not going to get filled, but if I'll go down and came right back up, that'd be amazing. 15 seconds. Let's see what it does. If you guys never seen the algo candle, let's see. 9 seconds. Here we go. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Let's see. I didn't have any orders in there for that one. So if you look, we made all our money back on this account. This one's up 231. This is getting close to payout zone. That's awesome. We hit it. Now I'm curious if we push. What I don't like is we're under the 34. We're under. If we can get out of this like 103 area, I think we can see a nice little pop here. You know, but we need to break this trend to the upside. Is really what I want to do. I want to see. I'm so glad I scalped down here though. I mean, this is almost at payout. What do I need? $400 more? And this one was down a couple $100 and I got 200 back. And this one's up. Those are 3 funded accounts that are up. That funded account's down. This one's up. So there's only one that's down, and the one that's down isn't nowhere near getting paid or anything. But you know what? I might take a long here on it. Not with 5 contracts, by the way. I just kind of feel like we're breaking this trend here. I can see us running into close. And if we do, I think I want a piece of it. Come on. Give us the push up. I just have this weird feeling that we're going to run. I don't know why. You know, I'm in my shittiest eval though. Like I'm not trading any of my good evals. This is like a lower percentage type trade. I do like that, you know, we're breaking the downtrend. We get over 19,100 like we are, and you could see a nice run here. Come on, do like 111. There we go. There we go. I might take. Come on, come up a little bit. I'm good with that, like 120-ish. All right, that was good. What was that? 125. Got to remember, we're also in here. We're up. This account just got some life. Boy, did that account just get some life to it. This account is basically back even. But here's the here's that 250K account everybody loves. My drawdown was down a bunch, and that just helped me out. Now my drawdown is there, so I have some room to play with. Okay. Now the question is, oh, I forgot I was even in Top Step. Jeez. I forgot I was even in. Oof. Lucky I remembered, but it was a winning trade, so we're up 60 bucks. But I could have sold out up here. Oh, not bad. First day in Top Step, up 514, just slowly grinding it up. See, to me, this looks like one flag. I'll take. I'm gonna regret this. Let me just. I'm gonna regret that. I just know I feel like we're gonna sell through. Are we? Fuck it. I'm in. Whatever. See what happens. See what happens. Right, roll the dice. Why not? I mean, it's not the best of accounts. If I can just scalp some money here. What am I up? 45 in this position. 25, 40 bucks. Bro, I just hit the sell button. It didn't work. What? Oh, dude, that's not cool. Come on. make a couple bucks in Top Step here after just losing a little bit. This does look like a one flag. Oh, man. 3 minutes left. Let's see if I can get filled on a little dip, a couple point dip. Get filled, and then I'll just ride this after hours till whenever. That's the plan. Hey guys, I appreciate everybody that came on the stream today. Answered a bunch of questions. How'd everybody do? Everybody, oh geez. Oh man. Oh, we're back up. Which one is it? This one? There we go. Getting close to funded. About halfway there. Man, I held that a long ways. I held that. Yeah, I kind of like it when the setups are there. This is definitely looking like a giant flag. I mean, we've been flagging for about an hour. I actually just got filled on. Oh, look at that. Look at that fill. Look at that fill. Oh my God, they won't let me sell. There we go. Boom. That was a funded account that was down $400, and now it's only down 46. What I like about the stream is you can see where I put my orders in. So I was talking about a dip down to 95. I had my order in, and now we just, I think all my funded accounts are, well, that's even basically. Up. 46 bucks is nothing. Yeah, we had a pretty good day. I'll be honest with you, today was not a great day because I didn't really play any full-size positions. And we got stopped out right on this like wick. If this was like came down 5 points less, we would have made gobs of money. Same thing here. I was waiting for it to bounce off the orb and it stopped a little high. Otherwise, I would have made a lot there. So there's definitely missed opportunities today, but overall, I mean, if you were on the stream, we made money. We you know, and we didn't take any big risks. Like all the funded accounts, I was trading one. Oh, and my Top Step is up. The whole time I was basically trading one contract. So it wasn't like I was in 5 contracts to make $200 or something like, and it was very methodical. It wasn't chasing, it was scalping, it was talking about the trades prior. Kim, I'll see you tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to see everybody tomorrow. I'm jumping off. It's 4 o'clock. I'm going to make a recap video. I appreciate everybody that came by. If you have any questions, feel free to just ask on here or comment. I get back to all the comments. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow, 1:30 stream is going to be account giveaway time. Don't miss out. It's going to be fun. All right. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.